Buya. Bin chochni ni biro nikech kido marach mar UDA.
Ero kama nainya. Iwacho ni dhano onge maonge gi nyaone. Jomoko be nowacho ni Rome was not built in one day. Awinjo gima Sifuna wacho. To dagom ni jo Kenya. Gi sana jo ODM motelo negi. Mondo penjre, mondo giyud duoko. Sifuna wacho kaja ni ODM, what's ODM without street protest? What's ODM without street protest? Underline kanyo. Kasi so memo sijawinjo marwa. Sifuna, what does Sifuna mean? Could it be ni ODM, majority ma ODM, most of the victims mag protest? Gindo nagi. Onage manabele ignitenya ga independence. Kane ODM obedo formed, onage manabele. A protest ma champion change e Kenya ka. Jomose inyore maloyo joluo gi jo ODM. What does Sifuna need? Jo thurwa William Ruto semiyo an avenue making'iyo kata social media platforms kata magu mag wang jowi mare mogika. Ibiro kao pach joneno. Jopiny ol gi ng'wech gi bakidi. Jopiny jonagi ol gi gonduru. Jodie mathoth ol gi gonduru. Mana momiyo achich ni Sifuna ni. What does it stand for? Ochako wacho kanyo. There is a lot of, he apologizes that there is a lot of confusion within the leadership. Indeed, there is confusion because enemy mislead. I would take Sifuna serious because ODM is so organized. It has structures of leadership. Whatever he says, Sifuna wachoni, kainya luong nek, luong parliamentary group meeting, marjo ODM. Luong the NEC, the National Executive Committee. Ma party leader obe tepiny. Kaso jo collectively, jo ODM golo patch gi kato gi wacho ni this is our position, Giria Doka, our SG speak on our behalf. To be on written memoranda, this is the resolution. Mar National Executive Committee, Mar ODM. This is our position. We feel ni UDA should change according to the 10-point agenda. Then I would say I can answer ni UDA what would ODM. As we speak, it is on record. Sifuna is as human being like anybody else. Can we interrogate his emotions? Could it be he still has pains? He made a very strong statement in July 2022 that if William Ruto is elected, he's going to board a plane and go out of this country.
No, tamore ni mano gimano ko wacho.
No, tamore.
Mano mbui wecho keto mana weche ma en no.
Wanyalo yudi mbui, mwa interrogate, mwa ng'eni to binen AI ko sen Sifuna. As far as I'm concerned, it is not an AI generated. Sifuna anakaka nene engi mirima moro. To tiyo gi the privilege of the office man God and the strength man God. Mar drive a personal agenda kaka Edwin Sifuna.
Okay. Chochni nimbi nene